Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Firestick remote not working. Alright, let's begin. If your Firestick remote is not responding, start by removing the back cover of the remote. Take out both batteries and wait about 10 seconds to fully power off the remote. Before putting them back in, check the battery diagram inside the remote and make sure the batteries are inserted in the correct direction. Put the batteries back in and test the remote. If the remote still does not work, replace the batteries with a fresh set and test again. Weak batteries are one of the most common causes of this issue. Next, try repairing the remote. Press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds. This can reconnect the remote to your Firestick. If that does not work, restart the Firestick itself. Unplug it from the power source, wait 20 seconds, then plug it back in and let it restart fully. If the remote is still not working, download the Amazon Fire TV app on your phone. Use the app as a remote, go to Settings, select Remote and Bluetooth devices, then add a new remote and pair it again. So that's basically how you can fix Firestick remote not working. That's it for this video. Thanks.